to JW Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation and PEMDAS. Here you can see everyone people step in this question. So now first we simplify the exponent. So 5 the 25. Here we write the 25 and minus 2 to the 4. Here we write the 4 and divided by 3 power 2 is 9. Now first we simplify the 4 divide 9 because of addition division and subtraction. First we perform the division. So 4 divide 9 is equal to 0.44. So here we write the 25 minus 0.444, and when 25 minus 0.444 we get the answer is 24.556. So this is the final answer and right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.